Hi, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be deadheading this climbing roads, the Golden Olymp, and as you can see, all the flowers have hit the dust and clusters of flowers. So I'm going to take the clusters off of the dead flowers, but I'm not going to take them down to this leaf here. I'm going to go further beyond this leaf here. So this is a 3-leaflet leaf, 1, 2, 3, and because of that, I'm not going to cut above this 3-leaflet leaf because I will not get good performance from this rose. I will not get a lot of flowers to replace the ones I'm taking off. So we go further down, and then here is a 5-leaflet leaf. So that's perfect. It's just the perfect one, and it's on look also. It's outward facing. It's going away from the inside of the rose, so we want it outward facing. So I'm going to go all the way down. See here, you can see, and I'm going to take this all the way down to here, and I'm going to angle the pruners so it's away from the little leaf, from the node there. So here, and the reason why, I'll show you why. So here I'm going to cut it off, put it to one side, and then if you can see here, if I can get it in there again, yeah. See, so this way, if you angle it away from the rose, it means that the water, any water, subsequent water, rain, or your watering, will actually go away from the actual inside of here. So you don't want the water spilling in here, because then it will start to rot and you'll get disease and stuff. You want the water to roll down off that cut stem. Okay, so I'm going to continue with this, and again looking for my 5-leaflet leaf. This one here is a good one. Now there's one up here at the top, but that's still kind of close to the rest of the gang there. So I want it to also train this rose. So I'm going to cut it right here where there's a 5-leaflet leaf, rather large one too, and I'll cut that one there too. And again, making sure I've got the right angle so the water doesn't collect in the node of the leaf, the petiole of the leaf to be precise. Okay, and there we go. And here is a nice cut facing away, and then also the water will drain off that little cut and won't collect in this little pocket here. And then we got the nice outward facing 5-leaflet leaf. And there you go. I will continue to prune away, and we'll come back to show you the results.